Yep. How you feel, man?
Almost didn't stop.
A little nervous?
I'm always nervous when I try to run these idiots.
First gas stop under its own power. It's been a long time coming, man. So I came back down here to Louisiana. He had a few things we had to get figured out with the injectors. He ended up buying some new, I think they were like Delphi injectors, supposed to be like 43-pound injectors. They ended up being bad. The crazy thing is we did ohms check. They all ohmed out, like 13.8 ohms or something like that. But as soon as we hooked them up, kept getting injector codes P0100 or P0200 or something, whichever one is the injectors. And man, we cleaned them, put them back together, it just wouldn't work. Put the factory 25-pound injectors back in, changed the tune to 25-pound injectors, and she's been running fine ever since. So I think he just got a bad batch of injectors, but other than that, man, he's rolling. Minor things to do with any project, just a few things left to knock out. But I mean, shit, she drove up here on her own power. Let's get a word from the owner. Say, man, how's it feel? Your first gas stop. Shit, it's been 3-4 years, right? But yeah, first gas stop. Made it up here on his own.